Oh my God. Sorry, God, but this is really bad. It is non-stop. Look at this. It accumulated so quick. I inhaled snow. Oh no. No, 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 no. No. Shoot. Well, at least there's trucks out here. Ooh. Oh no. Can't even see the skyline. It's a whiteout. Look at that. Wow. This is not good, people. Wish me luck getting home. It's probably gonna take me close to 2 hours to get home. I'm gonna be driving on Lakeshore Drive going south. Lakeshore Drive going south on the bus. Imagine. What is this? So we're having here is accumulated snow. It's coming down really hard. It's around 2 to 4 inches already. I remember this video when it's 90 degrees in July. I'm gonna watch this video. Yep, I'm gonna watch it in July. Say, wow, it's really snowy. It was really snowy. Skyline is not visible at all. At all. This is Michigan Avenue in Washington. People out here though. crazy, crazy. Oh, God.
I know it. I think they'll be back.
Alright, well, nothing else to see but snow, 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 so that's it. Wish me luck going home. It's gonna take me like close to 2 hours, I think, on Lakeshore Drive. Shit. Excuse my French. But this is effed up. Alright. Bye.